Why, hello there. Hi, everyone. My name is Sunshine. What I dislike about being Sunshine is everyone's all, oh my gosh, it's so bright, it's gonna make my eyes burn. Well, it's your fault for staring at it. Okay? And darkness is not my enemy, so don't say darkness is my enemy, because darkness is not my enemy. Darkness is my enemy, okay? Not my enemy. Is that cool with you? Okay? Thank you and goodbye. Ah! Who woke me up? I do not understand this because my name is White in here. Do you know who I am? Do you? Do you know who I am? I am darkness. Everyone's so afraid of darkness. How do you think that makes me feel? How do you think that makes me feel? It makes me feel mad. Know how they say there's a monster in the darkness? There's no monster inside of me. There's a monster that's playing tricks on your brain. It's not me who's making all these tricks. It's yourself. So stop being right in the dark. What are you talking about? I'm afraid of myself. Oh my golly, oh, I'm going to move. I'm getting very sleepy. How about you? Oh no, it's morning time. I forgot it was morning time. Oh great, googly moogly. Oh. Hey girl, how you doing? How you doing, y'all? My name is Pauline. I'm Pauline. I was comes out of the grass and you blow on me all the time. I keep blooming and blooming and blooming and I still keep growing. And then you put some weed killer. That's mean. That's cool right there. Okay. So what I dislike about being Pauline is, well, because I cause people to have allergies. And no, I'm not the nice one, so don't say that, because I ain't no nice one. Okay, so I cause people to have allergies. And when someone sneezes on me, I don't say bless you, I say, ooh. Say with me, y'all. I don't say bless you, I say, ooh. Say with me. This time, okay. Okay, now you better sing right now. Okay, girl, hey. Hi, I'm Water, alert congested. And, oh, hi, I'm Water. What I most dislike about being Water is I get sprayed from miles away. People use me like all the time. And the most part, I get to watch people wash their butts on me. I mean, are you serious? Stop putting your butt on me. How do you think I feel? How do you feel if I put my butt on? Wait, I don't have a butt. I'm so emotional right now. I mean, I hate it. I'm sorry, I'm Water. I drool a lot. I got some stuff on my computer that I'm doing my video channel. I hate being Water.